Tennessee, southern Sumner County in Middle Tennessee, northwestern Wilson County in Middle Tennessee, until 4:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 4 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Lakewood, or 11 miles northeast of Nashville, moving east at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Gallatin, Lebanon, Hendersonville, Mount Juliet, Lakewood, Old Hickory, Hermitage, and Green Hill. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. The National Weather Service has